Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm largely using a paint scraper, a hot air gun, and I'm taking the sound deadening pad off the inside of one of George's doors because we're trying to knock the dent out, but because the sound deadening pad's still there, it's just absorbing all the knocking, so that's all going to come off. So a bit of scraping and a bit of heat and a bit of persuasion, also a lot of patience, but it's coming there. So we're trying to remove the original sound deadening pad because Chris needs to be able to panel beat the dent. It's obviously creased the inside of the door skin, or the door skin. But you can't knock that out because the sound deadening pad is actually like an absorption mat and everything's just bouncing back. So I'm sure that's not the right technical explanation, but we need to get all this pad off so that you can get to the panel to knock the dent out. So hot air gun and scraper. But it's coming off. I'm literally just heating this sound deadening pad up and then scraping it off, and it's taking a while, guys, because it needs to get hot enough to be able to sort of scrape it off like ice cream, but obviously it's been on there for 40 years, so it's taken a while. Just like that. Just like that. Hot. Right, that's that task dealt with. Oh, by the way, sorry this is being filmed with my phone this morning. I wasn't expecting to do any recording, but now that that door skin is prepped for repair work, you can crack on with that. That was a bit of a pig, took some time in doing, but often it is the case with these things. You've got to do one thing before you can do another. The driver's door should be a lot easier, say, I reckon, because it's just a rush to deal with, no nasty creases, so that should be a lot easier, fingers crossed. And there's the rest of the car to do, but I'm going to leave them to it now, have a cup of tea. I think that's well deserved. For you it will be a few seconds, but for me we'll check back in Chris's progress in a week or so, see how he's doing, so catch you in a sec. Hello, welcome back. It's about a week later, guys. Progress is coming along well. Today's objective, refit the passenger door, because that's actually finished now. I'll show you that in a second. I've got to get the driver's door off, that's still to do yet, of course. And then it's rubbing the entire car down for paint and primer, but we'll see how far we get this morning. First, of course, Chris has just made me a cup of tea and I've got 3 chocolate biscuits to get through, so let's prioritise. Cheers, Chris. And look at this, guys. Doesn't this look amazing? If you'd seen the door before, apart from the fact that it was all rotten out along the bottom skin, there was a nasty crease here which he's managed to completely get rid of. And he's got the shape back of the door as well. I don't know if you can see that profile there. He knows his stuff, Chris. He's spot on. So we're going to get that back on the car this morning. That's my job next after I've had my tea, of course. And then we've just got the driver's side to do. So best crack on with the tea. So I've started to strip the driver's door down. I've got the weatherproof membrane off. But of course it's a little thing to challenge you. The screw that holds the winder handle is rounding off. That's got to come off because I don't want to damage any of it. The channel that holds the glass in, that's got to come off before you can really get decent access to the nuts that hold the hinges on. So yeah, slowly but surely we're getting there. Very ordinary. So that's on my side, thank you. Oh, that's good. Sure. see if I can show you oh, it's only taking that neck. So now in the process of taking the door off. Great. All the door furniture is off, including those very brittle weather strips, so I might try and get onto the club and see if I can get some new ones because they were a bit crusty, but glass is out and put in a safe place because it's two-door glass and that's hard to get hold of. And now I'll get the door off so you can crack on with the repairs to this one, so I'll crack on with this and I'll show you when the door's off. On to the last bolt. Ta-da! One door off. Well, I'll just show you quickly. That's what he's getting rid of, all this corrosion here. So this is all going to be cut out. He's got a few little areas to touch up as well. He's starting to go in that corner as well, so he's going to repair all that as well. So well worth it. I need a cup of tea. Cheers. Oh, that's not bad. Right. I'm back from seeing the Allegro. I couldn't spend a massive amount of time there this morning, guys, because I actually had to get back to the house because the O'Reilly's just been collected. It's actually sold. It's gone to another YouTuber, a chap called Rob from Beards and Bangers. He's bought the car. So looking forward to seeing how it gets on with that. So it won't be the last time you see the O'Reilly on the channel. So I'm going to leave it here, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you for commenting. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. It does help me out. I shall see you soon. Probably there might be another quick video before Christmas. Hopefully, fingers crossed, if I can get something out for you. Right. I'm not going to have another cup of tea because I just had one. But I shall see you soon with some more content. Take care.